Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I was so excited. So today we're gonna be seeing one of the bird nests that is actually it's right into that hole, and we're gonna see it. And before we get started, shout out to Cassandra. And before you guys comment some hate stuff like, why is she messing with the bird nest? Maybe why are you touching it? Why? Well, I don't even touch it. Why are you messing with it? Like, why are you seeing it? Why are you recording it? Guys, I do not do anything to it. All I do is see it. I would never touch it, because once you touch it, you're gonna have to rescue it. You're gonna have to take care of it, and I do not have equipment or nothing to take care of it. Because once you touch it, the mom is gonna not want to keep it anymore, and I so do not want that. And so you guys, I don't do anything to them, and if I were ever to do that, I would be ready, have the equipment for it, have worms for it, and all that. But I don't, so I do not mess with them. I don't want to. I don't do nothing to them. All I do is see them. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys in a second. I'm gonna get prepared to see this. So there's gonna be 3 of them. I'm sure there's 3. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, guys, so we're gonna see. Oh, so there's one right there. Right there. There should be another one here. Oh, right there. Wait. Right there. And there should be another one. So there's one right there. Another right there. It looks. Oh, there's 2. Okay, I knew it. There was 3. So there's 2 right there. And there's another one over there. It's so cute. They're so adorable. That is so cute. Look at them cuddle together. Isn't that so adorable? So there's one lonely over there. I wish I could touch it and put him over here with them, but I can't. Sorry about that, guys. It's people. People over here. Anyways, okay, I was keeping an eye on his mom if it was there, but it's not. Okay, guys, so that was it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, but before I end this video, shout out to Cassandra. I don't know if I already said that, but if I did, then once again, shout out to Cassandra. But if I didn't, shout out to Cassandra. Okay, guys, but that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down